Voices Together is Together for Health's new ongoing series, shining a light on people and programs striving tirelessly to inspire, educate, and ultimately reach girls and women with information and services to reduce cervical cancer risk among women today and protect girls in the future. Zambia is looking to reduce one of the highest cervical cancer burdens in the world. Today, almost 1 out of every 4 cancer diagnoses in Zambia is cervical cancer.
My name is Karen Nakawala, a broadcaster based in Zambia. I was diagnosed with cervical cancer in June 2019, but I was fortunate to access treatment and care. I'm now 5 years post my treatment and I am cancer-free. As a cervical cancer survivor, I was inspired to found Teal Sisters Foundation to build a Zambian community of empowered, informed, and thriving women, rendering support and making critical connections and providing hope. Our movement aims to eliminate cervical cancer in the country using the experiences of survivors like myself to inspire others to take advantage of available prevention. We partner with local health providers and community-based volunteers to get the word out about where and how to access cervical cancer prevention services. World Cancer Day is commemorated on the 4th of February every year. In 2025, Teal Sisters helped organize an event in Chipata where mothers and daughters could come in together to receive cervical cancer prevention services, with children getting vaccinated against HPV and mothers getting screened. The event was officiated by senior government officials from the Ministry of Health. Miss Masita is a cervical cancer survivor from Chipata who described her experience. Miss Masita was diagnosed with cervical cancer after routine checkup in 2015. Unfortunately, her cancer had already progressed to stage 2, requiring treatment that was only accessible with a large amount of travel. Many women like Miss Masita struggle to reach the cancer diseases hospital that offers cervical cancer treatment. Miss Masita underwent 3 rounds of chemotherapy, 23 rounds of radiotherapy, and 3 rounds of brachytherapy, but is now in remission. She leads a local support group of cervical cancer survivors. Alice is what we call a cervical cancer mobilizer, an advocate who raises awareness on the importance of early screening. Alice spoke at the World Cancer Day event, letting attendees know about the free screening services which were being conducted at the event and at local clinics in Chipata on the day. She also put an emphasis on the importance of early screening. Teal Sisters also worked with a local radio station on a program featuring 2 nurses from the district health office. This was a great opportunity to explain to a wide audience how cervical cancer can be prevented through HPV vaccination for the young girls aged 9 to 14 and early and regular screening in older women. The program also provided information on cervical cancer symptoms to look out for. Vaccinating against HPV provides lifelong protection against cervical cancer, as well as a number of other cancers. Teal Sisters worked with Mpezeni Primary School to organize a vaccination campaign for learners at the school.
I'm Robert Nyirenda, senior teacher here at Mpezeni Primary School. As a school, our learners are benefiting from the vaccine, HPV vaccine, and we are happy that the government has taken this initiative. We have challenges. Sometimes some learners say that their parents do not want them to take that vaccine, but otherwise we have convinced them, and at least we have more than 80% success rate.
My name is Natasha Sakala from Mpezeni Primary School. With my colleagues here, we were privileged to get the HPV vaccine, which will prevent us against cervical cancer. With the vaccine, we are safe. Thank you for your support.
By raising awareness and promoting vaccination and screening, we can continue to make strides in reducing the global burden of cervical cancer and improving the lives of those affected by it.
Together for Health is proud to partner with the Teal Sisters Foundation as one of our most recent grantees. We know that their work can inspire similar efforts around the world. All of us are working toward a world where no woman dies of cervical cancer. Join our cause. Please visit us at togetherforhealth.org and at tealsistersfoundation.org.